KitKat bars consist of a few core ingredients: cocoa beans, milk, sugar, wheat flour, and palm and vegetable oils. Cocoa, a primary ingredient in chocolate, is typically sourced from regions like West Africa, Central and South America, and parts of Asia. The cocoa beans are harvested, fermented, dried, and roasted before arriving at the factory. Milk powder is used for the milk chocolate coating, and the quality of the milk contributes to the creamy texture of the chocolate. The sweetness of KitKat comes from sugar, often sourced from sugarcane or sugar beets. Wheat flour is the main ingredient for making the wafers, and it must be of high quality to achieve the light, crisp texture that KitKat is known for. Palm and vegetable oils are often used to add texture and extend shelf life. Factories store these ingredients in silos or large containers that can automatically feed them into the production process in precise quantities. The recipes for KitKat bars are tightly controlled to ensure consistency across batches. The wafer is a key part of the KitKat bar's structure, made from a batter that is mixed and then baked into thin, crispy sheets. Here's a deeper look at the process. Wheat flour, water, and other ingredients, such as a small amount of sugar and salt, are combined in a large industrial mixer. The mixing process is carefully timed to create a batter with the right consistency for spreading. The batter is then spread onto large baking plates or conveyor belts that pass through ovens. The sheets are baked at high temperatures to create the thin, crispy wafers. The thickness and texture of the wafer are key to the signature KitKat crunch. After the wafer sheets have cooled, they are cut into precise strips that will be layered to form the base of the KitKat bar. The cutting process uses sharp blades or laser cutters, ensuring uniformity in size and shape. The filling between the wafer layers is typically a chocolate-based cream, made from a mixture of cocoa and sugar. Interestingly, a significant portion of this filling is made from recycled KitKat bars that didn't pass quality control. These rejected bars are ground down, mixed with cocoa, and turned into the filling for new KitKats, reducing waste in the production process. The wafer strips are stacked together with the chocolate filling. Typically, 3 layers of wafer and 2 layers of filling are used for the standard KitKat bar. The filling is spread evenly between each wafer layer by machines that control the amount of cream to ensure even distribution. Precision is key during the stacking process, as the layers must be aligned. KitKat's distinctive chocolate coating is made using a high-quality milk or dark chocolate, depending on the flavor variant. The chocolate itself undergoes a series of steps before it coats the wafers. Tempering the chocolate. Before the coating is applied, the chocolate is tempered to ensure it has the right consistency and glossy finish when it sets. Tempering involves heating the chocolate to a precise temperature, cooling it, and then reheating it slightly. This ensures the cocoa butter crystals are stable, resulting in a smooth texture. Enrobing process. The wafer stacks are moved through a chocolate enrobing machine, which covers them with a layer of liquid chocolate. The chocolate is applied by passing the wafers under a curtain of molten chocolate, which evenly coats them on all sides. The coating process is automated to maintain a consistent thickness of the chocolate layer. Flavor variations. Depending on the type of KitKat being produced, different coatings can be applied. For example, special editions might use white chocolate, matcha-flavored chocolate, or other regional flavors. After the bars are coated in chocolate, they need to cool to ensure the chocolate sets properly and retains its shape. This is achieved in a cooling tunnel, which is a long conveyor belt housed in a cooled environment. Cooling temperature. The cooling process is carefully controlled. Too fast, and the chocolate could crack. Too slow, and it might not set properly. The bars are gradually brought down to an optimal temperature that ensures the chocolate has a firm, glossy finish. Consistency checks. During the cooling process, sensors check the bars for proper alignment and coating. Any bars that don't meet standards are removed from the line for recycling. Once the chocolate coating has set, the bars are cut into their final form. For standard KitKats, this means cutting them into multiple fingers, with the number of fingers depending on the bar's size. Precision cutting. A series of high-speed knives or laser cutters slice the large bars into individual fingers. This step ensures that each KitKat finger is the same size and shape. KitKats are packaged almost immediately after being cut to ensure freshness. The The packaging process is highly automated, with machines handling the wrapping and boxing of bars. Each KitKat bar is wrapped in branded foil or plastic packaging that protects it from air and moisture. The wrapper is designed to be easy to tear, allowing consumers to easily break off the fingers. The wrapped bars are placed into boxes or cartons for shipment. Automated systems print labels with batch numbers, production dates, and other tracking information to ensure traceability. At every stage of production, quality control measures are in place to ensure consistency and safety. KitKat factories use a combination of human oversight and advanced technology to inspect the bars. Throughout the production line, cameras and sensors monitor the size, shape, and coating of the bars. This ensures that each KitKat meets the company's stringent quality standards. Before packaging, bars pass through metal detectors to ensure no foreign objects have accidentally entered the production process. Any bars that fail this test are discarded or recycled. Once boxed and labeled, the KitKat bars are loaded onto pallets and shipped to distribution centers around the world. The efficient, large-scale production process allows millions of KitKat bars to be shipped daily to supermarkets, convenience stores, and retailers globally. KitKat's parent company, Nestlé, has been working to make the production process more sustainable. Some key initiatives include sourcing cocoa from certified sustainable farms that follow fair labor practices and focus on improving farmers' livelihoods, utilizing renewable energy sources and improving energy efficiency in production, and significantly reducing waste by using imperfect KitKat bars. One of the reasons KitKat has remained a global favorite is the constant innovation with flavors and additions, particularly in different regions. Nestlé adapts the production process to incorporate these unique flavors and designs without compromising the efficiency of the system. Here's how factories manage these variations and special additions. For new flavors or limited edition KitKats, the development process begins with intensive flavor research. Nestlé's R&D teams test different combinations of ingredients, focusing on local tastes and preferences. For instance, matcha KitKat. Extremely popular in Japan, this version uses matcha or green tea powder in both the filling and the chocolate coating. The production process for this variant involves integrating finely ground matcha powder into the chocolate mixture. Ruby Chocolate KitKat. Ruby Chocolate, a newer type of chocolate made from ruby cocoa beans, offers a fruity flavor and pink color. Special machines are used to temper and coat the wafers with this distinct chocolate. Each new flavor must go through sensory testing to ensure it meets consumer expectations. Taste panels are often conducted to tweak the balance of flavors before mass production begins. When producing special edition KitKats, some changes are made to the production line. Different chocolate bases. If a new chocolate flavor, like white, dark, or ruby chocolate, is used, the tempering and enrobing machines may need to be recalibrated. Different types of chocolate require specific temperatures and cooling methods to achieve the right texture and sheen. Unique fillings. Flavors like peanut butter, caramel, or fruit fillings may be used in the wafer layers. The mixing machines adjust the consistency and ingredients used for these fillings, ensuring they integrate well with the wafer layers. Regional varieties. Certain countries, such as Japan, have a broader range of KitKat flavors, from sake to wasabi. These flavors are often produced in smaller batches compared to the classic KitKat. Factories switch production lines based on demand, and specific machines may handle smaller quantities of ingredients for limited-time flavors. The packaging for limited edition KitKats often reflects the region or theme. For example, special edition KitKats might have packaging with symbols or motifs relevant to holidays or festivals, such as cherry blossom designs for Japanese spring celebrations. In some markets, KitKats are sold in decorative boxes for special occasions, particularly in Japan, where they are often given as gifts. The packaging machines are programmed to handle a wide range of packaging sizes and designs. Despite the variety of flavors and additions, Nestlé ensures that all KitKat factories adhere to strict quality and safety standards. This ensures consistency across markets while allowing room for local adaptations. Factories are regularly audited to maintain these standards, and any local sourcing of ingredients, such as green tea for matcha KitKats, must meet global safety and quality criteria. As KitKat continues to grow in popularity, the factories have evolved to incorporate cutting-edge technology. Some of the innovations include modern KitKat factories being equipped with state-of-the-art robotic systems that streamline various aspects of production. This includes robotic arms used to handle delicate operations like placing wafers into position, cutting, and packaging bars with precision. Machines are automatically cleaned using systems that run specialized cleaning solutions through the lines, ensuring food safety without the need to halt production for long periods. Artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms are increasingly being used to monitor the production process. AI systems help detect and predict issues before they become problems. AI-powered cameras can spot even the tiniest imperfections in KitKat bars. These systems learn from previous batches and can distinguish between a minor defect and a major issue, preventing unnecessary waste. Machine learning is used to optimize production parameters such as temperature and speed in real time. This ensures that every KitKat bar is produced with the same quality while minimizing energy and resource use. Nestle is continually working to reduce its carbon footprint, and KitKat production is a major focus of this initiative. Some innovations include renewable energy. Many KitKat factories are now partially powered by renewable energy sources such as solar or wind power. This reduces the overall carbon emissions of the production process. Water efficiency. The factories have implemented water recycling systems to reduce water consumption. These systems treat and reuse water used in cooling and cleaning processes. Packaging innovations. Nestle is also investing in sustainable packaging solutions, such as recyclable and biodegradable materials. Some markets have introduced plastic-free wrappers for KitKat bars. As consumer tastes evolve, the KitKat production process is poised to continue its journey of innovation and adaptation. Some trends and developments that may shape the future of KitKat include: with increasing demand for healthier snacks, KitKat may introduce more health-focused variants, such as low-sugar or sugar-free KitKats. Alternative sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit may be used to create sugar-free versions of the classic KitKat, catering to health-conscious consumers. Plant-based KitKat. Nestle has already started developing plant-based chocolate products, and it's likely that we'll see more plant-based versions of KitKat bars, using dairy alternatives in the chocolate. In the future, consumers may be able to personalize their KitKat bars. This could involve custom flavors. Online or in-store kiosks could allow customers to choose their own flavor combinations and fillings, making each KitKat unique to the individual. Personalized packaging. Consumers could add personalized messages or images to the packaging, making KitKats ideal for gifting. 3D food printing technology could open up new possibilities for KitKat production. In the future, complex designs. 3D printers could be used to create intricate wafer patterns or unique chocolate coatings. On-demand production. Small-scale 3D food printers in stores or restaurants could allow customers to create their own fresh KitKats with their favorite flavors on demand.